Hello, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome back to our favorite channel, a place for health information and education. How are you all? I pray that you are always healthy and achieve your dreams and success. Today, with me, Dr. Ibrahim, will tackling a big issue that many of you face, that persistent swelling in your legs and the nagging pain in your joints. It can feel like a constant battle, stealing your mobility and your joy. But what if I told you that the key to fighting back could be found right in your kitchen? As we age, especially past 65, our body's natural collagen production drops by more than half. This isn't just about wrinkles. It's the very scaffolding of our body. Less collagen means weaker joints, chronic swelling, and legs that don't feel as strong as they used to. But don't lose hope. There is incredible power in nutrition, and today we're uncovering the secrets. We're going to count down the 8 most powerful collagen-rich foods that can help you rebuild, repair, and reclaim your active life. These aren't complicated recipes or expensive supplements, just simple, powerful foods ranked from good to absolute best. So, get ready to take notes, because this information could truly change the way you move and feel. Let's start this journey to stronger legs and pain-free joints together. Coming in at number 8, we have something you probably already have in your fridge: egg yolks. Now, you might be thinking, egg yolks have collagen? Well, not directly, but they are nature's support crew for collagen production. Yolks are loaded with biotin, sulfur, and vitamin D. Think of these nutrients as the essential tools your body needs to build and repair its own collagen. They stimulate the entire process, making your body a more efficient collagen factory. Research has shown that eating whole eggs regularly can ease joint pain and significantly boost your body's ability to create the collagen it desperately needs for structural integrity. So don't skip the yolk. It's a small but mighty step toward healthier connective tissues. Next up, at number 7, are pumpkin seeds. Don't underestimate these little powerhouses. They are a treasure chest of minerals that are absolutely critical for producing collagen. First, they're rich in zinc, which is like the ignition key that starts the whole collagen-making engine. Then there's manganese, which is vital for building strong and resilient connective tissues. And let's not forget magnesium, a fantastic anti-inflammatory agent that can help calm down those swollen, angry joints. Sprinkling a handful of pumpkin seeds on your oatmeal, yogurt, or salad each day is such a simple habit. Studies have observed that this small addition can lead to reduced leg swelling and noticeably improved flexibility in your joints. It's an easy win for your health. Sliding into our number 6 spot is canned and boned salmon. The key here is boned. Those tiny, soft, edible bones you find in canned salmon are a brilliant source of natural collagen. But that's not all. They also provide calcium, phosphorus, and gelatin, all crucial components for repairing worn-out cartilage and strengthening the entire joint structure. Plus, salmon is famous for its omega-3 fatty acids. These healthy fats, along with the collagen peptides found in the fish itself, work together to actively fight inflammation, reduce that puffy edema, and encourage your cells to produce more collagen. It's a double-action food, offering comprehensive support for your joints from the inside out. Halfway through our list, at number 5, we have something many people throw away: chicken skin. That's right, the skin. It's often seen as a guilty pleasure, but it's actually a rich source of type 1 collagen. This is the exact same type of collagen that makes up your ligaments, cartilage, and joints. By eating it, you are providing your body with the precise building blocks it needs to restore the cushioning tissues between your bones and repair the lining of your joints. Several clinical studies have pointed out that getting collagen from poultry sources can lead to a remarkable improvement in joint comfort and a patha sound, significant reduction in that morning stiffness we all dread. So, next time you have chicken, think twice before discarding the skin. It could be a valuable part of your joint health arsenal. Now for our number 4 contender, whole sardines, and yes, that includes their skin and bones. Just like with salmon, the edible bones in sardines are a powerhouse of type 1 collagen, calcium, and gelatin. But the skin adds another layer of benefits. It's packed with omega-3 fatty acids and another important protein called elastin. This combination works wonders. The omega-3 South reduce inflammation, while elastin helps restore flexibility to your connective tissues. Together, they accelerate the healing of any minor injuries or wear and tear your joints have endured. Sardines are not only effective but also incredibly budget-friendly, making them an excellent choice for anyone looking for relief from ankle swelling and general joint pain. Entering our top 3, the bronze medalist at number 3 is gelatin. This one is as direct as it gets. Gelatin is essentially just cooked collagen, extracted from the connective tissues, bones, and skin of animals. Because it's already broken down, it's one of the most bioavailable forms of collagen you can eat. This means your body can absorb it quickly and put it to work almost immediately, offering a rapid and natural remedy for those aching, swollen joints. Look for unflavored powdered gelatin, preferably from grass-fed beef. It's incredibly versatile. You can stir a scoop into your morning tea or coffee, add it to a warm bowl of bone broth, or even just dissolve it in some warm water. It's an effortless way to give your body a consistent, powerful collagen boost. Claiming the silver medal, at number 2, we have the legendary bone broth. For centuries, this has been revered as a healing elixir, and for good reason. It's essentially liquid collagen therapy. When you simmer bones for a long period, they release an incredible array of nutrients into the water. We're talking type 1 collagen, gelatin, and crucial amino acids like glycine and proline, along with a spectrum of minerals. This rich concoction provides what is arguably the most rapidly absorbed form of dietary collagen. It directly tackles stiffness, that feeling of sluggishness, and the gradual breakdown of our connective tissues. Countless studies and testimonials confirm that a daily cup of bone broth can lead to a significant reduction in joint swelling and a major improvement in overall mobility. And finally, the moment you've been waiting for. The number 1 top-tier, most collagen-dense food for your joints and legs is beef tendons. This might not be a common item on your shopping list, but it should be. Beef tendons are composed almost entirely of pure type 1 collagen. When you slow cook them, they break down into a rich gelatin and release powerful peptides that specifically target aging connective tissues. The science is compelling. Research has shown that regular consumption of beef tendons can improve walking stability, reduce stubborn knee stiffness, and even increase the density of your joint fluid, all within as little as 30 days. Adding slow-cooked beef tendons to stews or soups provides unparalleled, direct support for your joint health. It is truly the gold standard. So, to recap, while we can't stop the clock on aging, we absolutely have the power to influence how we age. The loss of collagen is a natural process, but we are not helpless. By bringing these 8 incredible foods into our regular diet, from egg yolks and pumpkin seeds all the way up to bone broth and beef tendons, we can take a proactive, powerful stance. You can actively reduce swelling, help your body repair your joints, and build stronger, more reliable legs. This is how you pave the way for a more vibrant, mobile, and fulfilling life in your senior years. You deserve to feel strong and live without constant pain. Thank you so much for joining us today at Senior Health. We truly hope this information empowers you and gives you a renewed sense of control over your health. If you found this video valuable, please give it a thumbs up, share it with a friend who might benefit, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more insights to help you thrive. Your health is your greatest asset. Take care of it, and we'll see you in the next video.